Hello guys, today we will cover a topic on SQL Server Union All operator. Union All operator basically is used to combine the result sets of two or more select statements. Union All operator allows duplicate values. These are the key points that we need to know about Union All operator. Then second key point is all select statement within Union All operator must have the same number of columns. Third key point is the column must also have the similar type. And fourth key point is the column in each select statement must also be in the same order. So we will cover all these points in this session. And if you have used a union operator in SQL Server, then it will be easy for you to understand the working of union all operator. Both union all operator and union operator is similar, but the only difference is that union all operator allows duplicate values while union does not allow duplicate values. We will also see the difference between both union all and union in this session as well. So let's start. How does union all operator works in SQL Server? Here we have two tables, table A and table B. Let's see what we have in our table, and you can see the table A, this result set is from table A and this result set is from table B. You can see table A is having two duplicate values for name column. Billy M is 2 times there, and Billy M also there in second table. So what happens if we combine these two select statement by using union all operator for column name? So here we have passed column name in our select statement first. Here we have passed column name as well for select statement for table B. And this is the syntax of union all operator. Like this one is our first select statement, this one is our second statement, select statement, and here we have used union all to combine the result set of both statements. So what we are going to do here, we are just combining the result set of both select statement together for column name. So whatever the value we will have here for column name and whatever the value we will have here for column name in second statement will be combined together into a single result set. So let's execute the query, and here we see the Billy M 2 times here. It is from table A, and Billy M is also there. It is from table B. So it returns a duplicate value as well. So whatever the values we will have in our first statement, or you can see the in our table A, and what the value we will have in our table B will be combined together and is returned in a single result set. So this one was the first key point of union all operator, like it allows duplicate values, as you can see in our result set. And you can also see here the total 10 rows is returned. It means first 6 from table A and last 4 from table B, so total is 10. So it returns all the records from both tables, so it doesn't returns unique value, it returns a duplicate values. If table exists duplicate value, then it will return duplicate as well. Now second statement is a key point. Second key point is union all select statement within union all must have the same number of columns. What it means, it means if we have a single column in our first statement and single column in our second statement, then it is fine to go with union all, it perfectly works. But if we have two columns in our first select statement, suppose let's say I'm taking one more column here, here we have two columns, but in our second statement is only one columns, then it will gives an error. You can see all combined queries using union means union and union all must have equal number of expression in their target list. What it means, it means here we are passing values, here we are passing two columns name and code, but here we are passing only single column. So the number of columns in both statement is not same, so that's why it is returning an error. If I pass code here as well, then it will return the result set. Now let's move to the third key points. The column must also have the similar data type. What it means? It means suppose if I'm taking on a single columns of name, by mistakenly I have taken here a column serial number. So as we know, the name column is using a varchar data type, but the serial number is using integer data type. And so the order of the column is here, the one column in each select statement. So let's execute the query, and it gives an error. Conversion failed while converting the varchar value from boolean to data type. It means when it combines the result set of from both tables. So here it is considering the column as varchar, but when it combines the result of integer to a single result set, so it gets the conversion error, like the converting value from varchar to integer. So that's the way it works. So it is expecting here either string as in result set, so it works fine, or either if we are not using here, or we can say here like this. So both column must have the similar data type, otherwise it will give an conversion error. So in this case it will work fine. Sometimes what happens, we keep the order like this, name and code, and by mistakenly we pass here's a string integer data type and here name like this. So what it will give an error. So we must to know about the third key point, like if we are using a union all operator, then our column data type must be same in both select statements. Column name could be anything, like suppose if we have a name columns in our first statement, and in second statement it may be any like emp name, doesn't matter, column name doesn't matter. What matters is, what does matter is the data type of columns. So column data type should be same, then only it will work, otherwise it will give an error of conversion failed. Now let's move to our fourth key point. The column in select statement must also be in the same order. What it means? It means, as I just discussed here, like if we have a name column here, then we cannot pass, suppose by mistake we have passed here code. So here the name column is of type varchar and code column is also type varchar. So it will not give an error. It will, what it will do, it will merge the name with a code. So it may lead to our wrong result set. See, it works perfectly fine. Here code FGHJ4 is merged with the column name. So by mistakenly we have put a code in our select statement, and we didn't notice at the time of writing this query, and we just executed it. So what it happens here, we are getting the name values with the code together. So it just combined the result set of both, because the data type of both column is same, so it didn't give any error. And rather than giving any error, it just merged the result set of both statement. And remember, if we are not giving any proper alias name, so what it happens, the in a union all and union operator, it gives the column name from the first statement. So whatever the name of column will be in first statement, so we will see here name. If we write here as emp name, so it will give a column name as emp name. So union all and union takes the column name based on first statement column name. So we have to always careful, like the statement must also be in the same order. Suppose here's a code and we write it here by mistakenly, like in name. So here we have passed code first, and here the code is in second number, and we have passed the name in at second number. So union all operator, yeah, both have a similar data type like name and code. Here code have a some varchar data type, name also have a varchar data type. So union all operator just merge the together the result set of both select statement into a single result set. So it will merge name with code for both statement. Here you can see the name is from second table is merged with the code from first table, and for the first column the name from the first column is merged with the code from second column, second statement. So this is the fourth key point that we need to know about a union all operator. Now let's see the difference between union all and union. So as we know, let's rectify the query. Here we see first select the complete record from both table. Here we can see we have already seen this example, like William is 2 times in first table and William is one more time here in our second statement, we can say in second table. So if we apply the union all, so union all does not remove the duplicate values from the selected statement, it returns complete data set. So we can see here William is 2 times from first table and William is third time from second tables. So total we have 3 times and total record is 10. But if we use union, so union returns a unique values. So if we remove the union all from here and execute it, so here we can see William is only single time here. So and total records is now 8. So it means union returns always unique values from both result set from both statements, and union all allows duplicate values in our select statements. So hope you get the better understanding on union all operator. And if you want to know about a union operator, you can also see my a video on union operator. Hope you enjoy the video, and if you like the video, kindly subscribe the channel. Thanks for watching the video.